Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a unboxing of the Echo Park mystery box that I just got in the mail. This was $35, free shipping. They offer it every few months, and let's get started. I already cut the tape, so here we go. Okay, so first are the chipboard accents from the Winter Market collection. I mean, they are really cute. Those trees are adorable. They really are very cute. The only thing I hate about the chipboard is that I like to pop them out. I don't have anywhere to store such a big item, so that gets to be a little bit of a pain. Okay, we have some enamel dots from the fall collection. Oh, such beautiful. I love fall colors, and I love a good enamel dot. So there's that. We have some puffy stickers, also from the fall collection, which I believe I actually have some pieces left, not the entire collection. So we got those. And then we have 3 packages of pattern note cards. Let's see. 8 cards with envelopes, 2 of each 4 design. Hey, excuse me, my dog is barking. So let's see. Oh, those are really pretty. And I got multiple packages of them. Okay, let's put that aside. Then I got memos, 3x4 journaling and accent cards. I've never heard of these. Let's see, what do they look like? I mean, who couldn't use more journaling cards? Oh, these are really cute. I like the whole vintagey look of them. That's my favorite. Oh, they're cute. Okay. So we have that. And then I really do love getting these. So I think there are, there's 2 of them here, and they're already falling apart, which I'm fine with. I pop them out anyway and put them in my ephemera box. But this one is New Day ephemera. And then there's also Endless Summer ephemera. Like I said, I do pop these out and then put them in my ephemera binder. I do have big 3-ring binders that I put all of my ephemera in. Okay, and then we got Cartography #1. I love a good map. From Cartabella by Steve Duncan. It includes stickers. Okay, you get 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers. And there's the stickers. I love a good alpha. Okay, and then, oh, I wanted this collection. I was going to buy it not too long ago. I'm glad I didn't. The Practically Perfect collection. This is an Echo Park. And it is, once again, 12 by 12 double-sided papers. Oh, and look at those stickers. It's Mary Poppins, and it's just adorable. Look at that book one, and the birds. Oh, I love it so much. I really did want this one. I'm so happy. Okay, it's your birthday. You can always use birthday paper. Oh, these are cute stickers. I am a sucker for a balloon animal sticker. Look at how cute they are. This is also Echo Park. It's your birthday boy collection. Oh, and I'm guessing it's your birthday girl collection. I have a son, but I also have nieces. I have 2 young nieces. They are 12 and 10. Okay, those are really cute. Okay, so all in all, for the $35, 3 of the collection kits, which are what, $14.99 a piece? 4 collection kits. I forgot about this one. 2 of the ephemera sheets. We have the memos, which I don't know. I've never even heard of them. And in that, you got what? 3x4 cards. I think it said, what did it say? 24. And it's $3.99. A puffy sticker, an enamel dot, chipboard accents, and 3 packages that are listed at $4.99 of the patterned note card with envelope sets. All in all, I really enjoyed this one. I didn't get washi, which I usually get, and I'm really glad I didn't get an art print. I got sick and tired of getting art prints. So this is pretty good. Tell me down below, did you order one? And tell me, if you did, what did you get? I'm curious to know. Thanks for joining me. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.